Is your Namecheap site down and you have no idea why? Stop guessing. Learn exactly where to check for scheduled maintenance in under 2 minutes. Nothing is more frustrating than watching your site load slowly or not at all, and not knowing if it is a problem on your end or a planned update on theirs. Let me fix that for you right now. I will show you the exact steps to find the Namecheap status page, filter by apps, and read the maintenance details so you always know what is happening. And the best part is, this comes straight from the official Namecheap support pages, so you know it is accurate. All right, let us start at the Namecheap homepage. You want to open up your browser and head over to namecheap.com. Just the regular homepage, nothing special here yet. This is our starting point. Now, from the homepage, locate and click the Help Center link. You will usually find it in the top navigation bar, right up at the top of the page. Look for the text that says Help Center. Go ahead and click that. It is one of those links you might have never noticed before, but it is actually the gateway to everything you need. So now that we are in the Help Center, find the section called Status Updates and click on it. This page is where Namecheap posts every bit of information about ongoing problems, planned work, and completed fixes. Think of it as the command center for transparency. Click on Status Updates. On the status page, you will see a few different categories. Click on the one labeled Apps. This filters the list to show only things related to their applications and services, not just domain registration stuff or general network issues. We are specifically looking for app maintenance here, so this filter saves us a ton of scrolling. Now, here is where you find the exact answer to your problem. Click on the specific maintenance notice that matches what you are experiencing. For example, you might see one that says Scheduled Software Maintenance Impacting EasyWP Websites. Click on that entry. Notice how the title includes the dates, like June 25th through 26th, 2026. That tells you right away if the timing matches up with your outage, and I have tested this myself to confirm it always reflects what is actually happening on the servers. Once the notice opens up, scroll down to see the full details. You will find a complete description of what is being worked on, the window of time they expect to be doing it, and any potential impact to your site. Then, if you have any questions, look for the link that says you are welcome to contact our support team. That is your direct line if the information on the page does not fully answer your concern. Namecheap built this page specifically so you do not have to guess, and now you know exactly how to use it. So whenever your site acts up again, you know the drill. You go from being confused about website downtime to confidently checking official maintenance status and knowing exactly when service will be restored. Bookmark that status updates page. It will save you a ton of frustration down the road. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one.